Hi, I just wanted to go over real quickly what it takes to install this Lumberjack Engineering factory DVD player trim replacement. So this is kind of the end state here, but there's a couple modifications that you need to do to the factory trim to make this happen. I'll go ahead and pull this off, pull my felt off. So once you get that factory top piece off, which requires popping off clips that are stationed around the perimeter. You'll go ahead and take all the electronics out. There's a whole bunch of screws, and then you'll take all the screws out that hold this mount bar in the back. So when you look at yours, you'll have some structure, some ribbing here, and some screw bosses here. You'll want to take a Dremel with a cutoff wheel, or I just used a flap disc and some side cutters to get rid of those. You can see it's still a little rough. That's entirely fine because I'll be covering mine up with some felt when it's all said and done, so I'll be storing sunglasses in here. Once you take care of that, you'll also want to do the same thing and get rid of the part of the clips that protrude. There's 2 on each side and then 3 along the back. Again, really easy to do with a cutoff wheel with a Dremel. Once you've taken care of that, you'll then move on to this bar up here. With all the screws out, you'll be able to lift off this top cover to expose the insides. This is just a tensioner gear that provides tension to keep this thing from just dropping free. It's sort of like a damper. That can stay. That's not going to be any issue. However, over here, this is a tensioner that it's on an eccentric spiral, essentially, that keeps the screen from flopping around. That's important if it's a DVD screen, but it's not needed here. And without the weight of the screen and the electronics in it, this will actually prevent this compartment from swinging open under its own weight without it. So we'll just take off this shell here. So this is a T20 Torx. You can just back this screw off, take this out, remove these 2 pieces, and then I went ahead and actually greased the tracks or the journals where it slides, and then you can put it all back together and you'll be good to go from there. This now spins easily and this will allow the whole assembly to drop free when it's in place. I'll be using some spray adhesive to attach this felt, and then this new trim piece just attaches with 4 screws around the perimeter, and then you're done.